Hello and welcome. We've got a bit of a rattle and a clunk underneath the old Merc, so I think it's about time we had a look underneath it and see what's causing the problem. Right, we're underneath the car now. You can see I've just put a new tracker end on there about a month ago. But I think this ball joint here is the one that's decided it doesn't want to play anymore. If we come around this side, you can see that the rubber's all shot, the rubber boot's all gone. So I think that'll be the offending article. Right, let's get it off. I've got a 22mm spanner on here. So I'm just going to double up, put another one on, and see if I can get it loose. An idea it might be tight. Not too bad. Not too bad. Work it backwards and forwards a bit to get the crap off it. See if I get the ball joint splitter on there. Nearly. Tight. Right, that's split. Yep. Yeah. That's not good. Right, the next job is to get this worn out ball joint out of here. And it's got to go up and out. Got to go up over. So I'll show you how we'll do that. If you get one of these kits, they come with different size cups, and you have to make sure that the cup actually fits over the old ball joint. You don't want it sitting on the edge, otherwise you'll be pushing it against itself. It's got to actually fit inside. Put the cup on. Make sure the clamp's seated on properly. Don't know if you can see that in the video. Right, let's try winding it in. It's fucking tight. Not moving yet. A bit more. Something's going. Oh, that's it, I think. There it is. That's the old one out. So just pop the new ball joint in, and we have to push down off this shoulder. And the kit that I've got has these bits in that don't quite fit, and they wobble about all over it. It's not very good to push down on. It's come back easy. Right, we'll just pop that out of the way. Right, after much head scratching and swearing, I've come to the conclusion that this bit that goes on there and every other bit in the kit is completely useless for the job I'm trying to do with it. So I've had a look around and I've found a 1/2 inch drive, 36mm impact socket, which just goes on there nicely, and it has this knob on the top that will locate inside of my clamp. So I should only need 2 hands to do it now. Pop that on there. That'll locate on there nicely and not fall off, hopefully. Then I just need 1 hand to wind it in and 1 hand to hold that in place, and we should be able to get it. Now it looks better. Now try winding it in. That looks better. That's it, I think. That's all the way seated in. Pop this contraption off now. There we go. That's it in. Marvellous. I drop that back in if we can. Without damaging the threads, if we can. Easier said than done. Not my favourite pastime. And then I hate working on cars. I'll just pop that bolt back in again. I think we'll call that done. That'll do. Right, I think we'll make that do for today. So I've got an appointment with a cottage pie. So as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one.